Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment and tools so the build is repeatable and fast. Install Rust via RustUp, pick the stable toolchain, and add cargo utilities, RustFont and Clippy for quality. Once done, select key crates, Tokyo for async runtime and Axum or Warp for HTTP endpoints. This gets you running code and avoids wasted refactors. Make sure to initialize a new cargo project and commit an initial skeleton to track changes as you proceed. You now implement the core chatbot logic and connect runtime pieces. First, define the message flow, receive input, parse intent, handle with handlers, and produce a response. Use Tokyo tasks and channels to keep I/O non-blocking, and manage shared state with Arc and Mutex or RW lock. Then integrate an LLM client crate or native bindings. This is where latency and token limits matter, so batch requests when possible. Once integrated, write unit tests for handlers and simulated conversations to validate behavior. You finish by deploying, monitoring, and running final checks before users connect. Containerize the app with Docker, keep images minimal, and expose health and metrics endpoints for uptime checks. Once deployed, monitor logs and latency, add structured logging and alerting for error rates. If something goes wrong, start by inspecting runtime logs, memory usage, and model API quotas. These are the most common culprits. Finally, iterate on timeouts and retries, and make sure backups of your config exist so recovery is quick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.